Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to correct values stored as text in Excel. When you copy data from another software or source into Excel, you may end up with values that appear as numbers, but they don't respond when you do operations with them. So example, here, this is a total, but you realize that summing up these numbers will definitely not give you this. It's so because some of these numbers are reading as text. So sometimes when you investigate, you may find that there are probably apostrophes before, or sometimes the numbers are aligned to the left instead of the right. So an easier way to correct this will be to convert them as real values or numbers. Do this by typing 1 in any empty cell, and we'll copy, and we'll do an operation on this range of numbers. So you highlight these numbers and then you press Ctrl-Alt-V. Ctrl-Alt-V is the shortcut for paste special, and in here you have options. We are interested in the operation segment where we'll multiply. So by multiplying this one you've copied through these numbers, you now convert them into the real numbers that can respond to operations. So over here we now have the real total. If you have situations like this, you can try going through this process to correct them. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please visit subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching.